Good morning, students. Welcome to online class 10 English grammar. Dear students, today we shall learn about determinants. What are determinants? Determinants are the words which are used before nouns to determine or fix their meanings. So, determinants are actually a variety of adjectives which are used before nouns to determine or fix their meanings. Now, we shall see some of the determinants as articles. Articles are determinants. A and the. Demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. Possessives. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. Adjectives of quantity and number. Some, any, much, many, all, both, little, few, several, less, one, two, etc. Some other determinants are distributive adjectives are there, then numbers are there, each, every, next, another, either or, neither nor, first, second, etc. Now we shall see the use of articles. We all in the example we already saw articles. Three articles are there: a and the. These three articles are grouped into two. Indefinite article a and an. A and an are called indefinite article. Then the is called definite article. Now the uses of indefinite article. Indefinite articles are used before singular countable nouns. Only singular nouns that are also countable. Then indefinite article also represents a class or kind in general. For example, a cow gives us milk. That means every cow gives us milk. Not only one cow, but every cow gives us milk. So here a cow represents the entire class of cows. Then a is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound, not letter alone. A is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Example: one-eyed man, a unique place, a European, a university, a mango. So these are examples of the use of a before nouns. Then an is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Here also vowel sound, not just vowel letter alone. The meaning is that some of the consonant sound, words beginning with the consonant sound, may be pronounced in the sound of a vowel. So in that case, we use an instead of a. Examples: an Indian, an hour. Here you see the word begins with H. H is a consonant letter, but here H is muted. So the next sound is our, vowel sound. So instead of a, we use an umbrella, an honest boy, etc. Now the use of definite article the. Definite article the is used before both countable and uncountable nouns. In countable, before both singular and plural nouns. So let us see the usage of definite article the. When we talk about something for the second time in the same context, or anything is qualified by a phrase, then we use definite article the. So when a noun is referred and the same noun is repeated in the same context in another sentence, then the second time we use definite article the before the second use of the noun, but it should be in the same context. Then for example, let us see, I met a girl at the gate of the school. I met a girl at the gate of the school. So the girl was weeping. So in the first sentence, a girl is referred. Girl, noun. So it is not definite there. So we used a indefinite article a before the noun. Now the same noun girl is repeated in the second sentence and the context is same. So we use the definite article the before in the second reference. I met a girl at the gate of the school. The girl was weeping. The girl was weeping, not a girl was weeping. So because the same noun is used in two sentences in the same context, and the second time we should use definite article before the noun. Then another use is when a noun in a sentence is qualified by a phrase, then we use, though it is the noun is used for the first time, then also when the noun is qualified by a phrase, then we use definite article the before the noun. For example, the book which is on the table is mine. The book which is on the table is mine. The book is the noun and the book is used for the first time. Still we used the definite article the, because the book is specified or the phrase on the table made the noun book definite. We are not talking about any book, but of the particular book which is on the table. So the book has become definite here. So definite article is used before it. Then other uses of definite article the. Used before superlatives. Definite article is used before superlatives. Example, she is the tallest girl of the class. The tallest. Tallest is superlative and we use definite article the before superlatives. used before the names of water bodies. Water bodies like rivers, seas, oceans. Examples: the Ganges. Ganges means river Ganga. The Ganges, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. So before the names of rivers, seas and oceans, we use definite article the. But a note is there, lake. Lake is also a water body, but we don't use definite article the before the names of lakes. Example, we don't say the Dal Lake, just Dal Lake. Next use, used before the names of mountain ranges. Here also you should keep in mind mountain ranges, not mountain peaks or just mountain. The is used before mountain ranges. The Himalayas. Himalayas is a mountain ranges. The Aravalli ranges. So the Himalayas, the Aravalli ranges. But it is not used before. We don't say the Mount Everest. Just Mount Everest. Don't say Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. Not used before the names of peaks. The is not used before the names of peaks. Mount Everest. We don't say the Mount Everest. Next use, used before the names of satellites, planets, stars, etc. We say the moon, the earth, the sun. Moon, satellite, earth, planet, sun, star. Used before the names of monuments and memorials. Examples: the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Then used before names of states, countries that have a common noun in their name. Some countries have a long name with more than one words. The country might be named. Then if there is a common noun in the country's name, then we use definite article the. The USA. USA, United States of America. States is a common noun. So the USA. The UAE, United Arab Emirates. So Arab is a common noun. So we use the UAE. The UNO, United Nations Organization. Nations, common noun. We use the before the UNO. Then the UK, United Kingdoms, kingdom, common noun. So the UK. The is used before names of scriptures. The religious scriptures. Before the names of religious scriptures, we use definite article the. The Ramayana, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Bible. Used before names of newspapers and magazines. Newspapers, magazines, etc. The names of newspapers and magazines, etc. We use definite article the. The Times of India, the Competition Success Review, the Reader's Digest. Then used before an adjective when the noun is understood. The poor, the rich. What is the noun here? Poor, the poor people. People is the noun that is understood. The rich people. People is the noun. So when the noun is understood, then before the adjectives we use, some adjectives we use definite article the. Another use, when a proper noun used as a common noun, a proper noun means it is the name of a person, place, such names are called proper noun. When a proper noun is used as a common noun, for example, we shall see Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Both Kalidas and Shakespeare are proper nouns. But here Shakespeare is used as a common noun in the sentence. To say Kalidas is almost so great as Shakespeare in India. For that we used the name Shakespeare as a common noun. So when the proper noun Shakespeare is used as a common noun, we use definite article the before it. I hope you understood this part. Thank you for everyone for watching the video. Next class or next video we shall come up with another topic, the determiner itself and the continuation of it. Thank you everyone.